There was some news overnight about Chinese hackers hacking Google, and it basically the stock closes up here at 590. It had already been tremendously sold off. This is a 3-minute chart. We gap down, we make a high, we pull back, we make another high, we pull back, and we make a series of higher highs throughout the trading day until eventually on any equity it will find the highs. And basically the momentum in a stock trade, and I'm just showing people here on a 3-minute, I will show you on a daily bar of where that buyer is coming in. The stock was manipulated overnight. The call contracts that I'm going to show you here, they closed at $21. This was a 570 call that expires in 2 days on Friday. They dropped them from $21. They dropped them $13 to $8, and they have moved 100% up off of the bottom. And the reason why is because they manipulated these contracts. Not that they actually wanted to manipulate the contracts, but the news on Google, because of what, there's a big story out there about how they were being hacked by Chinese and our government's going to get involved and there's going to be a lot of things. But the thing of it is, the quality equity today and for the rest of the Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, there's plenty of time to still get these calls. And when I talk about pulling back and breaking highs, that's how it happens on a 3-minute chart. And I'm showing the 3-minute chart. I'm showing what that gap down is, how to trade that big gap down. It was a news event that's really irrelevant to the fundamentals. And we just made another all-time high. And I am going to show people that this gap down, it hits 573.90. They move in, they buy that call contract, which they did, and you have gone from 573.90. We just made another high, 583.69. And we believe that our longer-term positions will pay us a lot of money. And if anybody wants to send an email to stockmarketfunding.com, and if you don't believe it, then put your fucking money up and bet me that this stock will outperform the rest of the internet sector, tech sector, and its quarter over earnings and product cycle continue to make money irrespectively outside of any manipulation. And the manipulation that the Chinese government did with this other stock, with Baidu, all happened during an options expiration. Well, we happen to own it 12 months out. Not only are we going to get paid, we own February contracts that we are going to get paid going into the earnings season. What we will do as a risk management tool is that once we get back up above, and there's another high, and we're going to find out, eventually we're going to have a swing high. We got the swing low, but we're going to find out where the trading range is, and we're going to watch these contracts right here that they took from $21 at yesterday's closing price down to $8, and that really hurt a lot of people that news article was created. These were in the money, 570. Google had closed at 590.48. That came out in after hours. It does happen, but guess what? You got a good, strong equity, you will prevail. You will prevail. Now we're going to be watching the 580 call. We know what the 570 has done. $13 drop, and they've come back up, and they just hit a high of 1730. And everything I'm showing on the chart, I'm going to be doing a series of other charts. This is a 3-minute chart that I decided to do, and I'm trying to keep this at a 5-minute length. That's the big gap down. That's where the SMF Pro Traders pop it. You pull back this time. You test half of the SMF Pro Trader bar. So you pop up. You come down. You come off the bottom. You test it right there. You make another high. That's called momentum. We will be showing other tapes on 15-minute, 60-minute charts. We've got a 3-minute buy signal. First time today. First time today. It was extremely oversold off of the rumors and the news. And there will be a lot of people out here defending the stock moving forward.